Take your eyes off of me so I can't flee. Ashamed to do it with you watching me. This is never ending. We have been this way before. I can't stay this time. I don't love you anymore. Please stay where you are. Don't come any closer. I'm trying to change my mind. I'm being cruel to be kind. I can't love you in the dark. It feels like we're all oceans apart. There's so much space between us. Maybe we're already defeated. Hey, 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 hey. Everything changed me. You have given me something that I can't live without. Not an underestimated when you are without. I don't wanna blame with all the bad thing is fine. No, sorry.